Any ghosts like to come through, please speak. This is my latest ghost box session. I'm just testing out the lights I put on it. Hello?
Right.
What's your name? Hello, pleased to meet you. Where are you talking from? Where are you speaking from? Not bad, eh? Wired it all up. Modified the micro USB plugs, put them in there. Cut the other end off. Run it through the box to the front where I've got the circuit sitting. Right here. I haven't got a switch added to it yet, so I've just got two wires twisted together there. That's the driver's circuit, the regulator circuit. You can adjust that just to light the LEDs up or do whatever you want to do. Hello, how you going? I'm Stephen, what's your name?
Right.
Pleased to meet you. Brett, is it? Brett? Hello, speak to me. I've got the noise cut up high, so it reduce the noise down a minute. We've just got that tone noise coming through in here. Hello? Any ghosts like to talk? Come on through. Hello? Hello, good to hear your voice. Hello, it sounds like a foreign voice.
100.
Hello. Anyhow, do you like the lights? Do you like the LED display? Hello? Come on through, guys. Come on through, guys. Funny that, when that pulse tone sound dries down and goes quiet, they normally start talking then. Hello. Good to hear from you. Okay, I'm going to switch the ghost box on now and put this on YouTube. Thank you for talking.